Same like in the rain with the mosquitoes, I have to pack up everything inside. Always best to do it in the rain, but that wasn't in the forecast. Shit. So the funny thing about rain and mosquitoes is the place where you want to hide from the rain is also where they hide. It was just a freaking one cloud and now it's all rain. What a start. There was no rain in the forecast. Fingers crossed it stops soon. Let's go to Northcape.
Follow me down the rabbit hole. Follow me down. Follow me down the rabbit hole. Follow me down the rabbit hole. Follow me down. Follow me down. Follow me down. Follow me down the rabbit hole.
This could have been actually a pretty sweet ride, but it's just pouring. For the last 1.5 hours, just pouring rain. I'm surprised the Honda is running so well. Slowly running out of fuel now. It only should be 15 kilometers to the next gas station. Man, look at that water. That has been the worst rain I've had. It's just pouring. It stopped for now. And I had a really good fish burger. Gloves are still soaking wet. Oh man, this is just the worst weather ever, really. This guy drove his tractor from the Netherlands to the Nordkapp. That looks like a cool place. I'm going to stay here. 22 euro a night. It's not bad. And this close to the Nordkapp. It's only 10 kilometers to the Nordkapp, but I think there's gonna be so many people right now that I would rather go there early in the morning. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in the next video.